How to fix the "Your connection is not private" error on Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear the error and get back to browsing safely. First, the quickest thing to try is refreshing the page. Tap the reload icon in the address bar and see if the error clears on its own. After that, if it's still showing, swipe down from the top of your screen and check that your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger this error. Following this, check your date and time settings, since an incorrect date or time is one of the most common causes of this error. From there, open the Settings app, tap General Management, then tap Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. After that, go back to Chrome and try loading the page again. At this point, if the error is still there, open Chrome and tap the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Following this, tap Privacy and Security, then tap Clear Browsing Data. From here, select Cookies and Site Data and Cached Images and Files, then tap Clear Data. After that, close Chrome completely and reopen it, then try the page again. At this stage, if you're on a public Wi-Fi network, try switching to mobile data instead. Public networks sometimes block secure connections and cause this error to appear. Finally, if none of the above works, the issue may be on the website's end rather than your device. In that case, the site may have an expired SSL certificate, and there's nothing you can do but wait for the site owner to fix it. That's how you fix the "Your connection is not private" error on Chrome on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an